Hey, Doug Stone, Remax Executive Realty Westboro, and asking you, Rich, from A1 Foundation, crack repair, you've been doing this for 32 years. If I'm showing a house and I can see a crack in the foundation, is there a quick way for me to tell whether that's going to be a structural issue or whether that's something you could possibly even give me a quote on?
You know, you asked a beautiful question. And our tagline is, speak to a live pro. And you can do that 7 days a week. And this happens all the time where realtors, their customers, they call us when they're at that house, looking at the crack. A lot of times I can describe the crack to them without seeing it. And then I can ask more questions because you're standing there at that crack. And I can tell if it's structural, non-structural. This is how you can always get a hold of us. All you have to do is take a picture, then send the picture to us, call us at 978-771-8827. That's 978-771-8827. And we'll tell you, you're gonna have a consultant right over the phone, and you'll know how much it is in most cases, if it's structural and non-structural.
Yeah, I just called you last week and that's exactly what happened. I took a picture and you gave me a quote over the phone. It was amazing. And now we've got the sale that's going through because of that. Thank you.
It's nice to hear.
Yeah.